So I need to convert the wiring for the transformer from the 230 volts, this configuration, to the 115 volt or this configuration. It's nice that we're able to do this. So I need to, of course, unsolder the leads that are on here. Move the coffee out of the way so I don't knock it over. Hopefully this is warmed up. I'm going to try to solder back off what solder I can here from these. I don't know if this is going to help or not. That one didn't actually melt. That one did. It's loose. That one's loose. That one's loose. Let's see if we can get this one to flow. And that should maybe be loose. I'm gonna try to fold that out a little bit so I can get the wires off. Maybe. Of course, the wire here is full of solder, so it's not really flexible. I don't want to overstress these. Yeah. Let's see, from we were wired up. So let's see, the white is going to now go to terminal 2. Find a little pair of needle nose. Black. It's going to come over here to terminal 1. Nope, it had a wire go flying off. And once it broke off, I'm going to trim it out of there. Another one. Quit catching those little extra wires. It's doing it again. Just please go through there. You can just come through there. And then I need to jumper, obviously, here to there. I've got 4 pieces of, or two different colors of wire here. I don't have any black wire to use for this, so I'm going to use the orange in the place of the black. Apologies for the noises behind me. I'm obviously doing dishes, or laundry, I mean. Dishes. We have dishes going downstairs. And hopefully I didn't dwell on there too long. Now I'm going to take the long that pop sounded like an electrical arc, which obviously it couldn't have been, but that's what it sounded like to my ears. I'm going to take this orange piece and we're going to do the same thing. Try and get this through the same hole as the black there. As the black has taken up most of the hole. And of course, almost instantly unwound. So why are you Anna's going to sit down there and bark and bark and bark and bark because one of the neighbor's kids is out playing in the common area. You know, at least where we are here is somewhat secluded enough. There's enough eyeballs because of how the complex is laid out that a child can go outside and actually ride a bicycle or play, etc. Socialize with other children outside. So, I know in a lot of places in the world that just doesn't happen anymore because of people and the danger people represent. Hopefully I haven't damaged the transformer. My dwell time wasn't that long. Can I get in there and trim that off? And can I get in here and trim the excess from here off? Without damaging anything. I'm not unhappy with that. The solder joints feel decent. One is jumpered to 3, 2 is jumpered to 4. Let me clean this up here a little bit. There's some little bits of cut wire that have fallen down into there. This, of course, gets cleaned up and goes to the trash can. Just making sure the little bits of wires I was cutting come loose, and they have. So the second thing I've done here, and this is very temporary, get this solder out of the way, turn off the tools, is I've gone ahead and just hooked up an IEC connector directly to the line cord that was on it. I will replace this line. I think I'm going to replace the entire line cord, although I'm not totally sure. It's loose enough I can probably get that in and out. The system power switch will still work. But I think for what I wanted to do in this video, we'll wrap this one up here, and I'll see you in a future video.